Welcome, friends. I am Dr. V.K. Chauhan, homeopathic physician. We are revising important topics in psychology for first BHMS students, and this topic is topic number 15, which deals with founder of psychoanalysis school. Sigmund Freud is the father of psychoanalysis school. He was born on May 6, 1856 in Freiburg, Moravia. Freud's father was a Jewish wool merchant and his family moved to Leipzig, Germany in 1859 and then settled in Vienna in 1860 where Freud remained until 1938. His life's major events include in 1873 he entered the University of Vienna Medical School and received a brief scholarship to the Paris where Jean-Martin Charcot's clinic was. Jean-Martin Charcot was a very famous clinician as well as neurologist. Hysteria was common among females in the Victorian era, and Charcot's work with hypnotherapy opened a very new insight for Freud. In 1886, Freud returned to Vienna, opened a private practice, and got married. He tried hypnotism with his hysterical and neurotic patients, but gradually abandoned this particular practice, and he started to put patients in a relaxing position in a couch and encourage them to keep on talking something, whatever comes into their mind. And he called this particular exercise as free association. During this free association, he used to make note of the patients, whatever they have been telling him, and try to decipher or determine what traumatic events in their past has resulted in their current suffering. In 1902, Freud was appointed professor at the University of Vienna. In 1909, he made his first international presentation of his theories at Clark University at Massachusetts. In 1923, he was diagnosed with the cancer of jaw, a result of years cigar smoking. He was a very chronic smoker. Germans took over Australia in 1938. They confiscated his passport, but on June 4th, 1938, Freud with his wife was allowed to leave the Vienna for England. It was because of international pressure on Germans. He died on 23rd September 1939 in Hampstead House, London. His theories and concepts include he founded the psychoanalysis school of thought. He proposed concept of conscious, pre-conscious and unconscious mind. He proposed theory of topography of mind, which includes three components, the id, ego and superego. He proposed theory of instinct, which has got two components. Number one is the life instinct, which he called eros, and it is concerned with the basic survival, pleasure and reproduction. Next is the death instinct. He called that thanatos, and it is the unconscious desire to die. The theory of psychosexual development, personality development through a series of childhood stages. Theory of defense mechanisms, Certain tactics developed by the ego to protect against anxiety. He talks about those in defense mechanism. Criticism against Sigmund Freud. Most criticized points are being as unscientific. The id, ego, and superego theory have no physical part in the human brain that represents the three elements, what he stated. Freud based his theories on individual assessments with no firm proof. Freud made his observations and individual assessments which he derived through the theories from a very limited population, mostly upper class. Contribution. He developed a school of thought which is psychoanalysis. Even as today, Sigmund Freud remains the most inspired and recognized name in psychotherapy and psychology. Bibliography. Following are the articles we have referred to prepare this particular talk. Thank you very much for patient listening.